Good morning, guys. Good morning. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Kanitha, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'm making breakfast right now, guys, but this video will be just a mini vlog. Right now I'm making breakfast, about to meet with my sister. I know that you guys love my thrift video. Last time I went thrifting, and it's right here. So guys, good morning. I don't know if I said good morning earlier, but right now I am eating breakfast. What's on the list for today? Today I am going to meet with my sister. Last time, you guys, I posted a thrifting video which was a challenge. What can I buy? I think it was like 4 outfits or 3 outfits for $30, and you guys really love that video. And I actually got a good piece. I got a nice jean skirt, which is now I see a lot of people, it's like it's in style, like the jean skirt with the buttons on the sides. I want to do this photo shoot. It's inspired by Afrocentric but vintage, so I need a few pieces. So in order for me to find a few pieces, I have to go to like a thrift store. But now the thrift store that they have, they don't really have vintage stuff. So but that thrift store has a lot of vintage pieces, so I'm gonna go there to see what I can find. So I'm gonna meet my sister there. She's already in the area, and then I think I'm gonna pass by my mom to pick up some food because she's making lalo, I think. Yeah, she's making lalo. So and then I will start. You see that pants over there that I need to actually paint this wall black and do a accent wall. So I have everything I have to paint, so I'm gonna come here to do it. And then I have to work on my labels for my hair products, and then work on my website. Yeah, I think that's the plan for today. So guys, we are here, so I'm about to go. Oh my god, my battery's about to die. So I'm about to go look for my sister in here and to find out where she's at. So let's go look for her. So we're gonna go look for her. It's a big shopping cart. So we actually thrifting. Maybe we could tell the story. Guys, now we actually thrifting in a place where like we feel what? Safe? Oh. Instead of like when we're in Colombia, like I like to be in places where I can like, you know, relax and take my time and shop. But
it was supposed to be a flea market.
It was supposed to be a flea market.
We didn't know it was I don't even know how to describe it.
I don't even know how to describe it. So, the material feels cheap. Right here feels cheap. It's too big, eh?
Too big, yeah. But that.
So far, guys, I have. What do you guys think about this jean skirt? Right, jean dress right here. And because this linen dress, but it has this skirt right here for $5. Shiny. Very Guys, I have like a whole basket of clothes, so I'll have to go through them to see what I want and what I don't want because this is a lot. I just got by my mom. I'm about to eat. She made some lalo. We're here, but let's go to the kitchen. That lalo came from. That's the lalo you can.
Yeah.
This lalo is not the same. Mine is not the same. And this is mine. She made it separately. This is mine with crab. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is the next day, guys. Let me tell you. Yesterday, I got home probably like 10:30. Listen, my sister lives in a different, and I live in the other end of Brooklyn. So when we go, because we used to live like close to each other, so when we go in that area where our moms live, we buy things. Because it's so convenient. So we were just like going up and down, going to different store. And guys, I will show you what I got from the thrift store. I ended up not getting a lot of things because most of the pieces, after I just like went through them, and I'm like, oh wow, I thought this fits like this. I would try on some of the pieces that I got. As you guys know, I don't like trying them on without washing them, but I will do that because I'll take a shower after. What's on the agenda for today? Today I am about to jump on a Zoom meeting and to trying to mix all these oils to make a particular scent that I'm looking for my hair products. And I have to start painting this wall, and then I need to do laundry. That's a question mark because after jumping in the Zoom is not just a meeting, so I need to make products. So I don't even know if I have it in me to make products today because when we do make products, it takes about probably 3 hours on a Zoom call. Let's get over here. Oh, my laptop is not charged. I need my laptop. So guys, meeting is over. I ended up not making products today, so actually I have a few things to do in order for me to, oh shoot, I had to finish I don't know if I mentioned I had to finish the shampoo, I had to mix my scent, and I have to make some oil blends for my products because I make my oils instead of buying the oils. So I want the herbs that I want to be in the oils, so I make the oils myself. I'm going to actually on Fiverr to get this label fixed. I started the label already. I make the label. This is that one. This is that one. It's a lot, guys. So when you guys don't see me post every time, I'm working on this, making that, and I hope that you guys actually will support my business and buy, because I don't have much and the products are really good, especially if you are 4C hair. You guys my focus, even though I'm not a 4C hair all the way, but 4C hair people, they might focus. If those products work for them, that means it will cover my hair texture and above and all the way. So that's that. So like I said, I'm going to mix my blends, finish that, also on YouTube. Okay guys, so I'm finally gonna go show you what I got from the thrift store. I may try them on, but I'm not gonna style them, just so you can see how they look. But they just put this right. This is the back right here. So the first one is this dress. I guess you guys saw it. It has this I don't know if you guys can see this. Probably I feel like it had a belt, but to me, I think I can remove this the stain. If not, I'll just do a belt. But because it's how it fits on me, I really like it, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. This one is really nice, so I'll try this in details. It looks like 2 pieces, but it's 1 piece. I'll try this.
Yeah.
This was a top corset. It's brand new, so it's from Zara. Again, this is an oversized shirt. Oh, I showed you guys this at the store. This jumpsuit right here. I like the top.
No. Cover up, it could be, but for me, I'm just gonna do it for our home. It's really nice. No.
So guys, as you can see, I'm about to pimp this wall right here. Oh, I already tipped the, let me show you guys, see that?